Here's a quick guide on how to withdraw funds from your eToro trading account. In order to withdraw funds from eToro, you'll need to put in a withdrawal request. You can do this by following these 5 steps. Firstly, once you're logged into your eToro trading account, click on the Withdraw Funds tab located on the left side menu. A pop-up window will then appear showing your total and withdrawable funds balance. In our case, we have nothing there as it's only a demo account, but providing you have money in your account, it will show you the amount you can withdraw. So in that case, you're then able to input your desired withdrawal amount, and you'll note there is a $5 withdrawal fee. So you'd put your amount in here and click submit. You'll then be taken to another page where you will need to submit a withdrawal reason and click continue. And finally, the last step will be to choose your withdrawal method and click submit. Once that's done, you're finished. You can withdraw money from your eToro account at any time up to the value of the balance of your account, minus the amount of margin used. With eToro, you don't need to hold any money in your account, so it's possible to withdraw the full balance if you need to do so. One important thing to note is that any withdrawn funds will be sent directly to the account that you use to make the deposit. For example, if you deposited via a credit card, then the money will be sent directly to that same card. Also, another thing to note is that certain withdrawal methods take priority. If you are withdrawing your money onto a credit card, this will happen first, then PayPal, and finally bank transfers. If your details have changed since you first deposited your funds, then you'll be asked by eToro to provide an alternative withdrawal method. It can take up to 1 business day for eToro to process your withdrawal request, assuming that all the details on your account are correct. And once it is processed, the estimated time to receive the payment depends on your payment provider, usually between 3 to 5 working days. When it comes to withdrawal fees, eToro charges a flat fee of $5 on all withdrawals. The minimum withdrawal amount is $30. If you're withdrawing the funds into a currency other than the US dollar, then you'll also be charged a conversion fee, and that fee will depend on the currency you're converting to. And that's it. That's a quick guide on how to withdraw funds on eToro.